Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 11 January and my video topic is access modifier. In Java, across modifiers are keywords that define the visibility or accessibility of classes, method and variables. There are four access modifier in Java. First one is a default modifier, this is known as pack. If no access modifier is specified, it defaults to package private. This means the class, method, variable is accessible only within the same package. This is all no other default modifiers. Second one is a public access modifier. Public access modifier allow classes, method and the variable to accessible from anywhere, both within and outside the package. This is known as a public access. In a private modifier, private access modifier restrict the visibility of the class, method or variable to only within same class. It is commonly used in encapsulation. Fourth one is a protected modifier. In protected modifier, allow the class within same package and the subclass regarding whether they are same package or not. This is all type of the modifiers. They are discussed about the following additional point. They are used the modifier in encapsulation. Access modifier play a crucial role in encapsulation, which is the bundling of the data and the method that operate on data within a single unit. This is known as class. Second, to use the security and control, access modifier provide level of control over the visibility of elements in your code, contributing to security by restricting access to a sensitive part of the program. Access modifier is the best to practice a great practice to use the most restrictive access level that still allow your code to function properly. This is a principle is known as principle of privilege. In getter setter method, in encapsulation, private variable are often accessed of modifier using public getter setter method, allowing control access to encapsulation. Allowing the control access of the encapsulation of data. The conclusion of the today's video topic is that is the modifier is understanding and using across modifier correctly is important for designing well structured and secure Java program. They help to control visibility of classes, method, variable, contributing to a principle of encapsulation and this is all the discuss about the this is all the discuss about the modifier. The various modifier are discussed and don't allow extra point of the matter they use in a various concept of oops. That. Thank you.